What's up, y'all? Chef Zay, and welcome to another episode of the Pancake Chronicles. Today, we're going to be making my favorite stuffed crepes. And here is our mise en place. If you haven't had one before, or not familiar with it, crepes are thin and delicate pancakes. They're usually made of batter of flour, eggs, sugar, and butter. Really simple. Today, we're going to make some by putting them all into a blender. Start with flour, sugar, milk, eggs, melted butter, water. Let's give it a blend. All right, now we're going to pour our batter into a bowl. It should be thin. You want thin because the pancakes are going to be thin. For best results, we're going to let this go for 30 to 60 minutes in the refrigerator and allow it to rest. Let's add some butter to our pan. We're going to get the whole pan covered with butter. A little more. As you can see, we pour batter from edge to edge of this pan. You want to get the whole thing crispy on the bottom. When you can run across your pancake and you don't see any batter, it's ready to flip. When it looks like this, it's ready to flip. Here we have some whipped mixed berry cream cheese. Now I'm doing this a little bit different today. I'm going to fold it the way I want to fold it as opposed to the traditional way. You choose your own way. Boom. 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 And voila. Let's finish this with some macerated strawberries. Oh yeah, it's a vibe. That's good. This is Chef Zay. Thanks for watching. If you like or love it, please share and subscribe to the channel. Much love. Peace.